In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build HTML tables in Webflow with Finsweet Table. We'll start right inside your Webflow project. Open your site in the designer so you're looking at the page where you want the table to live. It helps to have a section or container ready, but don't worry. You can reposition the component later if you change your mind. Head to the Apps panel in the designer. This is where you'll find integrations that extend Webflow's native features. Once the panel is open, use the search bar and type Finsweet Components. You're looking for the official Finsweet listing, which bundles several handy components, including the table tool we'll use today. Select the app and click Install on Site. Follow any on-screen prompts so the app can connect to your project. Installation takes just a moment and enables you to add components without writing custom code. With the app installed, choose New Component. This opens a catalog of options you can add directly to your canvas. Instead of using a preset, pick Build a Finsweet component from scratch. This gives you full control over what gets generated, making it easier to fit your design system and naming conventions. From the component list, choose Table. You'll now see configuration options that determine the structure and style of your table. This is the fun part. Customize the table before it's created. Decide how many columns and rows you need and whether you want a header row. Naming your headers clearly now will save you time later. You can also set base styles like cell padding, borders, and text alignment. If you're using a class naming